Okay, I'm recording a CloudGoat scenario, and this vulnerable Lambda scenario, and in this scenario I start as a bilbo user. I will assume a role with more privileges and discover a Lambda function that applies to this user and exploit vulnerability in the function to escalate my privileges. And I already set my environment, so I will start with listing touch policies. And as you can see, there is no policy. So now I will check inline policy. And there is this inline policy. So I will see more information about this policy. So it allows me to assume a role. See, Lambda invoker. That probably allows me to invoke Lambda function. So I will check roles. Because here is a white card and I'm not sure exactly what is the name of the role. Here are some policies, roles for the services, but here is my invoker role, and I can get some more information. About policies that relates to this role. So there is policy name Lambda invoker. And role name is here. I can get policy assigned to this role. So I know what this role will give me, and I will be able to list this function, invoke, and get policy for this function, which is the most important information. So let's assume this role. So now I will use these credentials and assume the role. So the role is assumed properly. And now I can get more information about this function that I'm going to invoke. So here's this function, but I need to download the code, so I will not know what is inside. Yeah, so I downloaded this code, and I can investigate this code. And here's some Python. Let's see what is inside the Python code. So here's some function. Here I'm connecting to some database. Here's commented out code that is using some policies, and here's some administrator access, and what it's doing. Here is it's using some statement. Here is some SQL code, SQL statement, and it's selecting policy name. Where policy is public and true, and here you can see public is set to false. So if I try to execute administrator access, probably I will not get administrator access, and this is my task, my goal. And for this statement that is selected policy, it's attaching some policy to the username. And here is the main code. With some default payload. Yeah, so I passed this Python code before to ChatGPT, and it advised me to use SQL injection here in this SQL statement. So so it's a basic SQL injection. I will show you. This was advised by the ChatGPT. So here is SQL injection. So this is passed to this statement. So this policy will pass this part to this statement, and so it will select policies where policy name is equal to X or policy name is equal to administrator access. So it will choose administrator access, and this is commenting out. So it means that this part of statement will be ignored. And this is some basic SQL injection. So if you are familiar with SQL injection, this is something easy for you. Okay, so I will prepare this payload that was advised by ChatGPT. Yeah, it was created. And now let's invoke the function. Sorry, code is not proper. Yeah, but there is no profile like this. Sorry, user has. I need to. Okay, I know what's wrong. Yeah, the user is not proper. So it looks good. So I assigned admin access to my first user, bilbo user. So now I will check secrets. So it seems to work. And now I will get a secret flag. And it worked. So thank you for watching. And I completed, so I can stop recording and destroy my resources.